Good morning to all. I am Indu, lecturer in civil engineering. Today also we will learn some problems on QB system. So before starting this system, I can recall the system, that is WCB, what we have done in WCB in previous class. In previous class, we saw some numerical examples on WCB. Briefly, I can give a broad view on WCB. So in WCB system, we can measure the angles from the north direction only and in clockwise direction only. And in WCB system, we can measure the bearings from 0 to 360 degrees. Okay, so WCB, the bearings of WCB system can be measured with the help of prismatic compass only. So in prismatic compass, we can measure the angles from 0 to 360. Okay, and in WCB, there is a conversion rule from WCB to QB that also we have gone through in last class. So before starting that, we have to see the quadrants. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So what are the values in first quadrant, second, third, and fourth also we saw. So hope you all understood. Is it okay to you? WCB system? Yes. So then we will move for the second system. So that is the quadrantal bearing. So in quadrantal bearing, we can measure the angles from in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction from the south pole and north pole, whichever is near to our survey line. And in quadrantal bearings, the values are measured with the help of surveyor's compass. With the help of surveyor's compass, and the values lies in between 0 to 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the QB. So today we will see some numerical problems on this system, quadrantal bearing system. So quadrantal bearing into whole circle bearing. So this is our topic today. So on completion of this topic, you would be able to understand or learn the conversion of QB into WCB. Yeah, the angle can be measured from north and south pole in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So this is the rule for conversion we saw in last class. So if the line is in first quadrant, WCB is equal to QB. So there is no any change in the bearings. Just you have to note down the QB is WCB is equal to QB, quadrantal bearing. If the line is in second quadrant, then WCB is equal to 180 minus QB. So by remembering this table, you can easily do the conversion. Okay. So WCB is equal to 180 minus QB, that is in second quadrant. If the line is in third quadrant, then WCB is equal to QB plus 180. WCB is equal to QB plus 180. In the fourth quadrant, if the line lies in the fourth quadrant, then WCB is equal to 360 minus QB. Okay. So what is the, they have given example, what is the WCB of 75 degrees? 75 degrees. Yeah, it is in the first quadrant, then QB is equal to WCB. Then QB is equal to 75 degrees, but you have to show the quadrants. So first quadrant, the quadrants are directions. North, east, right? So north 75 degrees east. So if you write this quadrant, then only the quadrantal bearing meaning will come. Otherwise, there is no meaning. That is the main difference between the WCB and QB. In WCB, we cannot show the directions, quadrants. But in QB, you have to mention the quadrants. In which quadrant this line belongs or lies. Okay. Right. Then we will go to the main sums. So this is the sum they have given. Convert the following QBs into WCBs. WCB. So first they have given north 45 degrees 30 minutes west. So definitely they will mention the quadrants, in which quadrant the line lies. Okay. Second one, north 60 degrees 40 minutes west, north 3 degrees 20 minutes west, south 56 degrees 0 minutes east. So according to this quadrants, north and west, north and west, north and west, north, south and east. According to this one, we have to identify in which quadrant this line, survey line belongs, or in which quadrant this survey line lies. Then only you can solve the conversion. So what they have given, northwest. Northwest is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant. So the survey line 45 degrees 30 minutes northwest. Northwest NW northwest. So this is in fourth quadrant. So by seeing the quadrants northwest. So by degrees. Northwest. Northwest. So, northwest is in the fourth quadrant. Then what is the rule for conversion from QB to WCB in fourth quadrant? QB is equal to 360 degrees minus WCB. Then WCB is equal to 360 minus QB. So they have given QB as 45 degrees 30 minutes. Then you can substitute here. WCB is equal to 360 minus 45 degrees 30 minutes. So WCB is equal to 314 degrees 30 minutes. So that is the value. Here you need not to show the quadrants. You cannot show the quadrants in WCB system. So that's why you can leave like this only. So that is the first one, first sum, A sum. Then second sum, 60 degrees 40 minutes. What is the quadrants they have given? We will see. Yeah, north 60 degrees 40 minutes west. So that is also in fourth quadrant. So that is also in fourth quadrant. So 60 degrees northwest 60 degrees 40 minutes is lies in the fourth quadrant. Then WCB is equal to 360 minus QB. So that is a 299 degrees 20 minutes. Okay, and the third sum is also lies in fourth quadrant. QB is equal to 360 minus WCB QB. So WCB is equal to 360 minus 3 degrees 20 minutes. So that is the 356 degrees 40 minutes is the WCB. Then last sum they have given southeast in this is the line southeast 56 degrees 0 minutes. So southeast when the bearings have given in second quadrant, the rule for conversion is WCB is equal to 180 minus QB. So QB is 56 degrees 0 minutes, and then WCB is equal to 124 degrees 0 minutes. Okay, is it okay? First sum. Then we'll go to the second sum. Convert the following QB into WCB. Southeast is the second quadrant. northwest. Northwest is the fourth quadrant. Northeast. Northeast is the first quadrant. Southwest. Southwest is the third quadrant. So you can do some. So southeast is the second quadrant. So what is the rule for conversion in second quadrant? WCB is equal to 180 minus QB. So QB is 26 degrees 14 minutes. Then WCB is equal to 153 degrees 46 minutes. Like that you can note down, or you can do. Then B. So northwest is the fourth quadrant, 78 degrees 18 minutes, and the line AB is in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant rule, 360 minus QB. 360 minus 78 degrees 18 minutes. So then WCB is equal to 281 degrees 42 minutes. Then northeast is the first quadrant. So then this line AB is northeast for 69 degrees 9 minutes. This is in first quadrant. So what is the rule for conversion in first quadrant? There is no change in bearings. So WCB is equal QB. Then WCB is equal to 69 degrees 9 minutes. Then this one, southwest is in the third quadrant, 32 degrees 15 minutes. Then WCB is equal in third quadrant. What is the rule? QB plus 180. Okay. So WCB is equal, QB is 32 degrees 15 minutes plus 180. WCB is equal to 212 degrees 15 minutes. So like that you can do. And then we will see the third sum. Is it okay? Are you following me? Hope you are following. Okay. Let me do the third sum. Convert the following QB into WCB. South 46 degrees west. So easily you can do this problem when you have the idea of this quadrant only, and when you remember the conversion rule. So then you can easily do this one. Okay. So southwest, which quadrant? Third quadrant. Southeast, second quadrant. Northwest, fourth quadrant. Northeast, first quadrant. Then we will see the first one. Southwest is the third quadrant. So what is the rule for conversion in third quadrant? WCB is equal to QB plus 180. So WCB, so this is the line, third quadrant, 46. And then WCB is equal 46 degrees 24 minutes plus 281, and the value is 226 degrees 24 minutes. So you can see cross check also. So 226 degrees 24 minutes. In which quadrant this line lies? So this is lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant values are 180 to 270. You can recheck this also. You can check this also whether it is in third quadrant or not. So this value is among this 180 degrees and 270 degrees or not. You can check like that also. Okay. And then southeast is the second quadrant. Then WCB is equal 180 minus QB. So WCB is equal 180 minus 22 degrees 18 minutes. WCB is equal 157 degrees 42 minutes. So 157 degrees 42 minutes is the WCB. In which quadrant this lies? This is lies in second quadrant. So the value is in between 90 to 180. Okay, right. Then so northwest is the fourth quadrant. So 82 degrees north, 82 degrees 9 minutes west is in fourth quadrant. And then WCB is equal to, what is the rule? 360 minus QB. WCB is equal to 360 minus 82 degrees 9 minutes. WCB is equal to 277 degrees 51 minutes. So this is in fourth quadrant, right? And then northeast. Northeast is the first quadrant. 32 degrees. The bearing is 32 degrees 22 minutes. It is in first quadrant. WCB is equal QB. There is no change in bearings, but you have to remove the quadrants. So then WCB is equal, simply you can write 32 degrees 22 minutes. Okay, so 32 degrees 22 minutes is lies in first quadrant. So the value is in between 0 degree to 90 degrees, right? So then we will move for the fourth sum. Convert the following QB into WCB. So QB into WCB. So first sum is south 37 degrees 30 minutes east. 37 degrees 30 minutes east. Southeast, which quadrant? Second quadrant. South 43 degrees 15 minutes west. Southwest, third quadrant. North 73 degrees 0 minutes west. Northwest is the fourth quadrant. North 12 degrees 45 minutes east is the first quadrant. Then we will see the conversion. In second quadrant, rule is 180 minus RB. WCB is equal to 180 minus 37 degrees 30 minutes. WCB is equal to 142 degrees 30 minutes. Okay, you can check 143 WCB of 142 degrees 30 minutes is lies in which quadrant? Yeah, it is in second quadrant. Then the line AB is in the third quadrant, because the quadrants are southwest. Southwest is the third quadrant. The WCB is equal to QB plus 180. That is the rule for conversion. And the WCB is equal to 43 degrees 15 minutes plus 180. WCB is equal to 223 degrees 15 minutes. So 223 degrees 15 minutes of WCB is lies in third quadrant. Then northwest, AB line is in northwest, that is the fourth quadrant. WCB is equal to 360 minus QB. WCB is equal to 360 minus 73 degrees 0 minutes, and the WCB is equal to 287 degrees 0 minutes. And 12 degrees 45 minutes northeast, it is in first quadrant. WCB is equal to QB if at all. And if the bearing is in first quadrant, there is no change in the system. Sorry, there is no change in the bearings when we convert from one system to another system. Then WCB is equal to 12 degrees 45 minutes. Then fifth sum, you can do it. Convert the following QB into WCB. See, I have given more sums so that you can easily understand. You can practice more times. Then you can easily remember the rule conversions and quadrants easily. That's why I have given more problems. I have given almost 10 problems on WCB to QB, and also at least 10 problems from QB to WCB system, so that you can easily remember that. When you practice more time, you can easily remember the rules and rules for conversions and quadrants. Hence I have given these number of sums. Is it okay? Okay, right. So convert the following QB into WCB. North 84 degrees 30 minutes west, south 38 degrees 0 minutes east, south 41 degrees 30 minutes west, north 15 degrees 0 minute west. Northwest is the fourth quadrant, southeast is the second quadrant, southwest third quadrant, northwest again fourth quadrant. So first one is the fourth quadrant, 84 degrees, 30 minutes. And WCB is equal 180 minus QB, 360 minus 84 degrees, 30 minutes. The value is 275 degrees, 30 minutes. And this is second quadrant, southeast, second quadrant. The rule is 180 minus QB. WCB is equal to 180 minus 38 degrees, 0 minutes. And the value is 142 degrees, 0 minutes. And the southwest is the third quadrant, and the conversion rule is 180 plus QB, 180 plus 41 degrees, 30 minutes. So the value is 221 degrees, 30 minutes. Then 15 degrees, 0 minutes, northwest is the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, WCB is equal to 360 minus RB or QB. 360 minus QB is a 15 degrees, 0 minutes. And then WCB is equal 345 degrees, 0 minutes. Is it okay? Then sixth one, you can see southwest, third quadrant, northeast, first quadrant, northeast, again first quadrant, southwest, third quadrant. You can see this problem. You can note down it. Okay, then note down the seventh sum. Convert the following QB into WCB. So north 46 degrees 10 minutes east, south 46 degrees 10 minutes west, south 60 degrees 40 minutes east, north 61 degrees 20 minutes west. So northeast is first quadrant. The rule is there is no change in bearings. WCB is equal QB. Then WCB is equal 46 degrees 10 minutes. Southwest is the third quadrant. The rule is 180 plus QB. WCB is equal 46 degrees 10 minutes plus 180. So WCB is equal 226 degrees 10 minutes. And southeast is the second quadrant. The rule is WCB is equal 180 minus QB. Then WCB is equal 180 minus 60 degrees 40 minutes. That is 119 degrees 20 minutes. Northwest fourth quadrant, 61 degrees 20 minutes is the bearing of line. Then 360 degrees minus 61 degrees 20 minutes. So WCB is equal to 298 degrees 40 minutes. See, in WCB system, we before converting, what we observe, what we identify, the bearings. That means 290, 190. So by observing the bearing, we can identify whether it is lies in first, second, third, or fourth quadrant. But in the case of QB quadrantal bearing, we are not seeing the value of bearing. That is the bearing of survey. I mean bearing of line, the value. But we are observing the directions. That means northeast, or southeast, or southwest, or northwest. By observing those one, we can identify in which quadrant it belongs or in which quadrant it lies. Then only we are starting rules. Okay, you see, if they don't give that northeast, the directions or the quadrants, 47 degrees is 47 degrees 30 minutes. Is there meaning? If at all they have given 47 degrees 30 minutes, that means that bearing belongs to the WCB system. Then in WCB system, if they give By observing the bearings, we are identifying in which quadrant the bearing lies. According to that, we are applying conversion. Is it okay? Yeah, right. Northeast. Northeast is the first quadrant. In first quadrant, there is no change in bearing. Just WCB is equal QB. WCB is equal to 47 degrees 30 minutes. Then second sum, southeast. Southeast is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, what is the rule? 180 minus WCB, 180 minus QB. Then WCB is equal 180 minus 65 degrees 0 minutes. That is 115 degrees 0 minutes. And then southwest is the third quadrant. Just you can add 180 to the bearings, 41 degrees 30 minutes plus 180. WCB is equal to 221 degrees 30 minutes. Then 20 degrees 0 minutes, that is northwest in fourth quadrant. WCB is equal 360 minus QB. Then 360 minus 20 degrees 0 minutes, that is 340 degrees. Then we can go to the ninth problem. Convert the following QB into WCB. QB of AB line is southwest 36 degrees 30 minutes. QB of BC line is equal to south 43 degrees 30 minutes east. QB of CD is equal north 26 degrees 45 minutes east. QB of line DE is equal north 40 degrees 15 minutes west. By observing this one, you can say in which quadrant these lines are belongs. AB line is belongs in third quadrant. BC line is belongs to BC line is lies in the second quadrant southeast, and CD line first quadrant northeast, and DE line northwest, it is in fourth quadrant. Third quadrant 180 216 degrees 30 minutes, that is the WCB value. Second sum, southeast, that is second quadrant 180 minus QB 136 degrees 30 minutes, that is the value of WCB. Then north QB of CD line is north 26 degrees 45 minutes east, that is first quadrant. So WCB is equal to QB first quadrant 26 degrees 45 minutes. Then QB of CD line is equal to north 40 degrees 15 minutes west, that is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant 360 minus QB, 360 minus QB, you can note like that. So 360 minus 40 degrees 15 minutes, you can subtract the value from 360. That is 219 degrees 45 minutes. Okay, then we will move for the 10th sum. Convert the following QB into WCB. North 40 degrees 15 minutes east, south 18 degrees 41 minutes west, north 24 degrees 20 minutes west, south 34 degrees 3 minutes east. So northeast is the first quadrant, southwest is the third quadrant, northwest is the fourth quadrant, southeast is the second quadrant. Then you can apply the rule. First quadrant WCB is equal to QB, that is equal to 40 degrees 15 minutes, and southwest, that is third quadrant WCB is equal to QB plus 180 QB plus 180. So WCB is equal to 298 degrees, 14 minutes. Then north CD line northwest, that is the fourth quadrant. The rule is 360 minus QB. 360 minus 24 degrees, 20 minutes. So that is 335 degrees, 40 minutes. And southeast, that is the second quadrant, DE line. And the conversion rule is 180 minus QB. 180 minus 34 degrees, 3 minutes. Then WCB is equal to 145 degrees, 57 minutes. So friends, we have 10 problems. Okay. The following table is useful. Write the conversion from one system to another system. WCB is 0 to 90 degrees. The quadrants are northeast. RV is equal WCB. All of you know. And between 90 to 180 degrees, the quadrants are southeast. And then RB is equal to 180 minus WCB, or WCB is equal to 180 minus RB. Between 180 to 270 degrees southeast, sorry, this is not southeast, this is southwest. Southwest, and the rule is RB is equal WCB minus 180, then WCB is equal to 180 plus RB. Then in between 270 to 360, that is northwest, then RB is equal to 360 minus WCB, or WCB is equal to 360 minus RB. So there is a rule for conversion. Then we will see some quiz here. The WCB of south 54 degrees 30 minutes east is southeast. It is in second quadrant. So you can see here, what is the second quadrant value? 125 degrees 30 minutes. Yeah, it is in second quadrant. 54 degrees 30 minutes, not second quadrant. Like this, you can directly note down. You can directly put the answer. Yeah, right. Please also connecting that. Okay, right. Like that, directly you can put the answer or pick up the answer, or otherwise you can apply the rule. So in second quadrant, what is the WCB? WCB is equal to 180 minus QB. 180 minus 54 degrees 30 minutes. So that is 125 degrees 30 minutes. Okay. Then second one, what is the WCB of southwest? 80 degrees 30 minutes. Southwest is the third quadrant. Okay. In third quadrant, what is the rule? Third quadrant. So WCB is equal 180 plus QB. So 180 plus QB. QB is 80 degrees 30 minutes. So that is 260 degrees 30 minutes. So there is no answer, I think. 180, 80. 260 degrees 30 minutes. So they have given here W. That means there is no meaning. I can remove this one so that answer B is correct. Answer B. Okay, so there is no need of showing the quadrants, right, in WCB system. The WCB of north 69 degrees 30 minutes west. Northwest is the fourth quadrant. Directly 360 minus 69 degrees 30 minutes. So among these, which is in, yeah, right. So this is the answer. Right? Is it okay? Yeah, 290 degrees, 30 minutes is the answer. If the line is in second quadrant, what is the rule of conversion? WCB is equal QB plus 90. WCB is equal 180 minus QB. C both. D none. What is the rule in second quadrant? WCB is equal 180 minus QB. D is the answer. Then fifth one. The WCB of north 90 degrees west is northwest is the fourth quadrant. 360 minus QB. 360 minus 90. So that is that is 270 degrees. So that is one A is the answer. So these are the some frequently asked questions they will ask on problems, conversion problems from WCB to QB, QB to WCB. You can note down these sums and you can practice. So friends, I can conclude here. So far we have seen some problems on QB system. So from if they have given bearings in QB system, how can we convert those bearings into WCB system? We saw. So two things you have to remember here is the first thing is in which quadrant the line is lies. According to that, you can apply the rule of conversion. Okay, so those two things you have to remember. Okay, is it okay? Yeah. So if they have given the sum in northeast, that is the first quadrant, southeast, that is the second quadrant, southwest, that is the third quadrant, northwest is the fourth quadrant. So what is the rule for first quadrant? There is no change in bearings. Just you can write WCB is equal QB. In second quadrant, WCB is equal 180 minus QB. In third quadrant, WCB is equal 180 plus QB. In fourth quadrant, WCB is equal to 360 minus QB. So like that you can remember the rule so that you can easily convert from one system to, so that is from QB to WCB. Okay, is it clear both the systems, WCB and quadrantal bearing? Yeah, hope you all following me. So it is these are the very important systems in compass surveying. Only two systems, so there are the designations of the bearings WCB and QB. Okay, is it okay? Is it clear to you? Okay, then I can wind up my session here. Thank you all.